What's up everybody, it's Sean here, back today with a much anticipated review of the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in the dark mocha colorway. People have been really looking forward to this colorway since the initial pictures of this shoe leaked. This pair officially released worldwide on October 31st for a retail price of $170 US or $225 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is Sail, Dark Mocha, and Black. And for those watching, this pair is going to be raffled off sometime this week at The Closet Inc. The Closet Inc. is my go-to spot for Air Jordan Retros, and they've decided to release these through an SMS text message raffle. So to opt into the raffle, text The Closet Inc. to 81787, but for full release details, I'll link their Instagram, their website, all that good stuff down below. As for the shoes, this pair is commonly compared to the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s. It makes sense considering the color palette on both these shoes are very similar, with a brown, sail, and black makeup. However, there are a ton of differences that really make this dark mocha colorway stand out on its own. So diving straight in, the upper of the shoe, the base layer is constructed using the sail colored leather. This sail color is very pale and very light. It almost looks like white, but there's a slight tint of cream or off-white to it. Surrounding the outer edge of the toe box, here we have this smooth black colored leather, and this leather runs up the center of the shoe, covering the eyelets as well. Beneath this, the mid panels of both sides of the shoe, here we have that smooth sail colored leather once again, and then overlaid on top we have this black Nike swoosh constructed out of this synthetic leather. Covering the side wings of the shoe, we have this brown colored nubuck, and debossed on the lateral side only, we have the Air Jordan Wings logo, which is done in this glossy black finish. Unlike the Travis Scott ones, the top ankle collar area, this is constructed out of a smooth sail colored leather, and then the bottom heel is wrapped in this brown colored nubuck. For the laces, these come with a flat black colored lace, but there is a secondary pair of sail colored laces if you prefer more of a brighter look. Underneath the laces, we have your traditional nylon tongue, so this is done in white, and at the very top, we have this black and white tag with Nike Air branding. Taking out the insoles, these come with a traditional insole. We have Nike Air stamped on the heel in white. So the upper of the Jordan 1 sits atop this sail or off-white colored midsole, and encapsulated within this midsole but not visible to the eye, there is Nike Airsole technology. Turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your classic Air Jordan 1 outsole. This is entirely done in black colored rubber. We have the circular traction pattern on the forefoot and Nike branding in the center. So that breaks down the look and the construction of this pair. For those wondering how these fit, to me these fit pretty much like all my other Jordan 1s, so for most people that means you should stick true to size. Whatever size you normally are in Jordan 1s, I'd stick with that same size for this colorway. If you're someone that has wider feet, then you might want to consider going up a half size. I know a lot of people, sometimes myself included, there is some discomfort around this area right here. So going up the half size is going to give you a little bit extra room from a length perspective. It's not the biggest of deals, but it should solve the issue of the discomfort on this area right here. Next up, from a comfort standpoint, so not much needs to be said here. These feel and fit like all my other Jordan 1s, so it's not going to be the most comfortable shoe out there. It's going to feel very firm and very flat to the ground, but it's going to be fine for just a casual use sneaker, and I'm sure that's all we expect with a Jordan 1 model. Finally, the million-dollar question is the quality of this shoe. I've heard a lot of different things being said online. Some people saying that the quality is really good, other people saying that the quality is terrible. For myself, I'm somewhere in between. On one hand, this sail colored leather on the toe box and the sides, I wasn't too happy with this. It has a very synthetic feel to it, and it felt a little bit stiff and almost a little bit plasticky, but the black leather that surrounds it and the brown colored nubuck, that wasn't bad at all. So all in all, I'd say that this is pretty much your average Jordan 1 from a quality standpoint. And when you compare this to the Travis Scott 1 from a quality standpoint, the Travis Scotts unfortunately are way, way better. With all that being said, now let's lace up these dark mocha Jordan 1s and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. All in all, this is a very wearable colorway of the Jordan 1. It's definitely not going to be my favorite colorway, as I'm just someone that doesn't really rock the color brown too often. With that said though, this is pretty versatile. I can see this being dressed up or dressed down, and I can see why a lot of people were really excited for this pair. If you guys don't own a pair of the Travis Scott Jordan 1s, I think this is a very worthy replacement, but if you're someone that already owns a Travis Scott Jordan 1s, I probably wouldn't pay resale for this pair, and for someone like me, this would be a pair I would only pick up if I was paying retail price. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this dark mocha Air Jordan 1. For those that ended up with the pair, did you guys pay retail prices or did you bite the bullet and pay resale? If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8. Check out my Twitter account at sean.go and visit my website at seango.ca. Before I end this video, another huge thank you goes out to The Closet Inc., so be sure to check out their SMS raffle, links are down below. So until next time, thanks so much for tuning in, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys all in my next review.